Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this 2008 SYM VS series motor scooter. However, this will be a common method for most of the similar type of scooters out there. When you perform this replacement, ensure to handle the battery safely and wear personal protective equipment for your safety. Before you purchase a replacement battery, ensure you choose a compatible type of battery with your motorbike or your manufacturer's specified type of battery. This will define some critical parameters such as voltage, ampere hour capacity, and the dimensions to safely fit in the battery compartment of your bike. Also, make sure the battery is pre-charged, activated, and ready to go. However, if you can find a voltmeter or multimeter, you can simply check the voltage and ensure that is in the right voltage range. Usually it's little more than 12 volts. In this motorbike, the battery is located at the rear right side or the accelerator side of the bike. You might have seen in some other scooter models the battery is located at the front footrest area, which is relatively easy to get to. But in this case it's a side mounted box. It's quite tricky to take the battery completely off. But I'll show you step by step how to get it done. I'm using the 10mm socket wrench for this. Since I can't remove the battery box cover as it is, I'm starting with loosening the box mounting bracket and lowering from front so that I can take the front lid off and access the battery. Completely remove the bolt at the front which is holding the bracket and slightly loosen the one at the back. This should simply allow you to lower the box from front side and remove the front lid by simply taking off these two cap nuts. Use a 10mm socket wrench or Phillips screwdriver to take the terminals off. Replace the old battery with new one and reconnect the terminal securely. Since the new battery is at full potential, handle with care. When reassembling the cover, ensure all the wires are within the cut-off slot to avoid cable damaging. Properly tighten nuts and bolts in both cover and bracket. Check cables and entire assembly again to assure safety and better functionality.